Hey everybody, Chef here. I'm going to show you guys how I make a yummy ramen dish. This is a super easy and quick meal idea for any time of day. My husband and I like it. So it's just whatever broth you choose. You can use chicken. This is a beef broth because it's what I had opened. I'm actually going to fill this up with water and we're going to go ahead and get this boiling.
Come on. No left one.
And we're going to go ahead and grab some seasonings. We looking for chef seasoning. The link is below. So this is a unami savory. This is perfect for your broth and any type of stock or soups. Yummy. I had a bunch of that in there as well. So we're going to go ahead and add in a little southwestern. You can have fun with it, mix and match, whatever you would like. You can buy ready-to-made ramen already at your local grocery store. This is unseasoned, no salt, authentic ramen. So we're gonna let the water boil and get heated up here, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in our ramen. The nice thing about this is that these are pre-portioned, so they have little bands on them. Depending on how many people are eating, you're able to determine how much you want. I do not recommend breaking these apart like you do some like spaghetti. I recommend just keeping them a block. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 portion packs. This does not take that long to make, guys. This is only a 3-minute process. There, we're gonna go ahead and add in this ramen. The ramen should only take about 3 minutes to cook. If you need to, you can always add more liquid to it. Go ahead and add a little bit more water there. You want to grab a soft soup spoon just to get those noodles in there. You might break this, that's alright. We're just going to let them cook for a few minutes. I should probably add a little bit more. Let's give it a stir. We'll just let those cook for a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.